Most likely you have a dehumidifier in your Van Metre home just like this one. It is located in your mechanical room. If you don't, Van Metre expert Casey Fauver says you can purchase one at your local hardware store along with a garden hose that will connect to your sump pump. Don't be fooled by this small, simple-looking piece of equipment. A dehumidifier is very valuable to your home, keeping your home structure intact, protecting your foundation, and keeping your health in good balance. Your basement can become very damp and moisture can come through the foundation, and you want to protect your family and your home.
So obviously the dehumidifier is going to be used in the summer months when the humidity is at its highest, in order to draw some of that moisture out of the house and keep the relative humidity where you need it. When you're running it, the filter is going to collect air. Obviously it's drawing the air in and collecting the moisture out.
First, before you turn it on for the season, you'll want to clean the filter. In this model, it is inside the fill tank.
What you can do, you can just rinse it off. You could use something wet. You could just dust it off if you need to. However you need to clean this. It's a plastic media filter, so it can be, like I said, water will be fine, or just like a dry cloth to dust it off would be fine as well.
Then check to see that the hose between the dehumidifier and the sump pump is connected properly and secure.
On this model here, we've got a hose hooked up, which allows us to continually run this without having to empty the fill tank. That's the way we like to do it, and what we do is you would connect your hose and then in your sump crock, so where your sump pump is in your mechanical closet, we just run the hose through a hole in the top. You can drill a hole through the top, or if you have an existing hole with a plug, you could customize the plug to fit around the hose.
That helps it to run continually and maintain humidity in the house and protect the drywall and the flooring. First, all you have to do is power it on, select the humidity level, and be sure to keep it around 40%.
It's going to be hard to meet that during the summer months. If you notice, if you have a humidity monitor in your house or a humidistat, it's going to be hard to keep it down to that. But if you keep this set at that 40 mark, it's going to do its best to try to keep up with that. And like I said, especially keep the hose hooked up to it so that you don't have to keep emptying this, because it's going to fill up very quickly.
And at the end of the season, clean the filter again and unplug it. You will not need your dehumidifier during the colder months.